Hi, my name is James Venny, and this is with my wife Nadine Alcott.
We're from a place called One Foot God in Trelawney.
And this is our real life story.
Yes, from Jamaica.
It's been a journey. While living in Jamaica, it was a great struggle for us. It was my dear beloved wife here, Aunt, sent for an invitation to enter the United Kingdom. Going to England, I think that I would get rich very fast. After 8.5 hours, we finally land at Heathrow, London. Nadine, you think they'll land us soon?
Patience, James. We just have to wait.
Feels like forever, man.
I know.
Nadine, we did it. We're free.
Yes, James. Finally, London is ours.
Look at these streets.
Let's go.
You know what? We're going to be very rich in this city, Nadine.
You think so, James?
I know so, hun. Nadine, I want to link George Barrow. He has my wealth in his hand, the Don King Alba number.
Okay, let's go then.
Nadine, have you parked this?
Yes, James. Look, George Barrow over there.
What's up, blood? Are you recon check? George, you have King Alba number. Can I have it, please? Hold on. Here you go, James. The Don King Alba number. And you know what? Now that me get King Alba number, me I go call him now. Where me phone there? Dialing King Alba number. Who this? It need James from One Foot God. Marva Gwen's son by Damo Venny. James, come check me in Brixton. All right, where about? I get record shop. Ask anyone, them show you me place. London Street, George. We made it. Big up star. Time to explore. Me want to join you and be the big man as you two. Me know how to sell the thing, you know? You lack street smarts, that connection required for the UK underground. In a nutshell, you're new here. Nadine tell him not at Kingston me spend most of my time.
No, sir. This man know the streets.
Do you want something to drink? Henny.
Rum cream on block and mean ice.
Hennessy, wicked. Thanks.
Rum cream, my fave. Cheers.
Good whiskey. Cheers, everyone. Here, take this. £4,000 to start something. Make something of your life. Thank you. We won't let you down. We wanted to thank you for everything.
Yes, thank you. We'll head home now.
And we'll keep in touch. All right, time to catch the P4.
There it is. Perfect timing.
After you. All right, we made it. Let's go get that car.
Yes, I'm ready.
Hi, we need to rent a car. Of course, right this way. We like this one. Great. Let's get the paperwork done. A great choice. Excellent. Just sign here. Perfect. We'll take it. Enjoy the ride.
Let's go home.
Have a safe drive. Okay, so about the rental car.
What's the plan?
We sell it.
Don't you think you are going too far in your quest for money?
Life hard a yard and no pound me a look, you know. Anything goes when we roll. Money on my mind every day. We need a big house and we well will kill poverty and his friends. You know how me want live like King Alba and the man there. King Alba have machines, houses, gas stations and fleet of cars. Curtis said get rich or die trying.
You need a job, hun.
To how me see it, working people never have nothing to hustle, me say. Working people always tired and complaining daily.
You love the fast lane too much. First you want to fly into fly. You want to go on the street and sell crack. Now you want to thief the rental car and sell it. Just remember that was my idea I gave them at the rental company.
Whose side are you on, Nadine? As me say before, poverty me I run from. Hungry a yard, not too nice, you know.
I'm on the side of righteousness and good life. You seem to be too obsessed about this get-rich scheme too much.
Look like you're ras blind. Have a picture of a so-called ham at One Foot God in Trelawney. We suffer at my time to do what I have to do. And look, you think people should live so? Not even dog that life no suit. We suffer at my time to do what I have to do and make the dead ras people them see we. Me prefer dead or go to prison than go back to poverty. And a whole heap of night we go to bed hungry. You must for the and they all shop and a little time we got trust from them. All him daughter going used to look for me scorn for me, it's a shame bad.
Look one dirty gringo who used to drive the old car and run taxi. Him stink bad I can't even talk with him anymore. I wish I could say something.
What you mean?
You never see how him a look upon you sometime. You think a little time may make we have dinner? A 4 grand here and there.
Now that you know the struggle is real, you should ready to make us shake the earth.
Me ready, James. Anything or anything.
Hun, me tired. Me I go take a nap.
Okay, babes. Me I go sit here and go watch TV.
Cool.
Oh my God, look at the news. Oh my God, the Gwen Austin Tower is on fire. Wake up, the tower is burning down.
What? Fire? Inside Gwen Austin Tower, just 2 blocks from here. I hope there won't be no casualties.
We have breaking news from the Gwen Austin Tower. A massive fire at the
Oh my God.
72 dead. Yo, big things are going at Gwen Austin Tower.
Me here said the whole place packed with people and journalists.
2 weeks on from the Gwen Austin Tower fire, the government's made compensation, rehousing with special benefits, regardless of their immigration status.
Heard about the Gwen Austin Tower disaster?
The government spun TV about compensation.
They said families will get support.
Hope it comes soon. Hun, since we live near the tower and know everything about it, let's go to the government, make a claim, and get house money and regularize our status. Hun, since we live near, we will tell them that we lived in flat 91 on the 19th floor.
Yes, Han, that sounds good. What are we waiting on? Let's call the emergency number and make an appointment to see them and make our claim.
Yes, you're right.
Han, we are going to be rich, Han.
Hello, I'm Jane Mowatts in the center. Please have a seat. Here are your cards, 11,000 each, and you're booked at the exquisite hotel.
Thank you.
Here are your bank cards.
And I booked James.
It's incredible.
After 9.5 months in this exquisite hotel at Flashy Hill, London, the only problem is the food.
Yes, the food is not all that.
Control says to expect 2 VIPs. Understood. Any description? Middle-aged couple? Should be any minute. Right. Eyes open.
What's going on?
Police, you're under arrest!
This is a mistake.
My name is Nadine, and if I did only follow my mind and not that greedy heart of mine, I wouldn't be here in this prison in England. The females here at H&P prison are so disgusting.
Me tell you say them obey him, you know see same salt bad. I the salt y'all do it. Serious thing, me brother. See na she. Look at me now. I didn't want to know how long the judge go give him. If I did only know, I would use my free time wisely and cut the foolishness. My lawyer said them I go deport me. As soon as me done my time here, I do not want to go back to Jamaica like this. Me should just hold on on the cleaning job and cool.
Having considered all evidence, this court sentences you to a term of 5 years and deportation back to Jamaica. You two leave my court now.
I am so ashamed of myself. Look at what I have become, a shadow of my past, running from a prison and end up in a bigger one. I cannot go back to my born land like this. I'm so ashamed. I'm so useless and forgotten. No one, not even my wife, is around. In my dismal days and moments of despair, the Almighty God has come true for me, and I was released by my lawyer after. I put in an application to regularize my status in Great Britain, that bright. Tuesday morning, I was released upon the condition on visiting the Home Office twice a month to sign on. Prison life rough me, generals. I have suffered. There are times when I feel so unloved. Despair along with his friend despondency take over me.
I am so sorry to hear, but you did hear say you're not to deal with Nadine. You're two hard ears. A true man, when Nadine there now?
Me did warn him and him tell me if he fuck off.
A true you a tell girlie. What make you think Boops and Polo don't talk to him? And then my brother? Now him only sister tell me say she no have nothing to do with him. Jerry him twin brother say a John Crow go nam him when him dead. James, what is wrong with you? You and Baba in an argument.
Me? Argument? No, man.
One blast say you chat too much when you just go prison go say that so you feel dead. Brother, you need a wash off. Although the Bible speak about it, me not lie, me no want no man. Again, me find love right here in a prison. Or when it done my time, I'm going back to James, a woman, me say.
Put to Zelen police station, mugshot after that. Went to court, bail was rejected because of flight risk. Was charged for falsely posing as victims of the Gwen Austin Tower fire.
On fraud by obtaining documents.
Then bail was rejected.
James, can you hear me? Stay with me.
He's been like this for weeks. We just wait.
What? Where, man?
You wait!
Pops, what happened, man? Long time no see. Yeah, man, everything good? You know, me just hear say one car hit James down last night in New Cross. Serious? Yeah, him there ICU right now. In the hospital at Camberwell. Serious, Camberwell? Yeah, man. Pops, me I go give him a link up there later. Me hear say them obey him. How him wants assault from prison to detention center to hospital. Serious? Me hear say my fuck one girl named Cocky Body. Everybody fuck that. Man, she always in the hospital. Talk about she have sinus problem. Before me fuck Cocky Body, me rather back my fist or dead from blue balls. Remember she was with Dick and Dick died mysteriously. All girl like good one and Prem. Me notice Prem a push up herself on me after back her off. Them girl assault you fuck. Me see the one Prem the other day I come tell me say she want me to remove one bolt for her in her bedroom. Me just give her 6 for 9. Every time I hear that girl name call me, remember what she do to Bogus. What a thing, man. What a thing. You know, here said James in the hospital used to grind ashes. You remember ashes? No car killer at Flanstead few years ago. Me say a pure money him used to give her. Him never fuck her yet. That the man love to buy pussy. All him brothers and sisters, them no business with him. One of them tells you John Crow I go nam him when him dead. Well, Sarah tell me say she no want him. I just him little money she want 9 car work and nothing she gone. Well, Regis tell me say a little before the car hit him down, him did a lean toward Laka, but Laka no want him either. Me hear say James regained consciousness. Him lost one hand. Me hear say him was sue the government for the injure. But the problems is his documents is not right. He got deportation orders from the court. Plus, it's going to be very hard to sue the state and win. Really? That tough. I'm have to go to Jamaica for that.
Me hear say one lawyer refused his case because them know why them credibility damn.
Serious? Them really say so? True, man. Another lawyer tried and I struggle with it. Make we see what Dana. Pops, me hear say after James get out of hospital, the immigration people was at his brother's house looking for him. Serious? What them want with him? Brother, me hear say him use a no-name lawyer and put in an application to stay in the UK. Bam! Them turned down his application. Me used to fuck one girl named Getty and a piece of crosses reached me. Serious? And the man named Cut and Clear helped me out. Me nearly dead. All stab man stab me, all kind of sin thing come down upon me. Me know, some of them girl assault bad, cause them fuck anybody once them a get money. Me hear that them hold him again and have him in detention center. Somebody tell me say I go to Jamaica Tuesday. Why you say? A true? Me hear so. Me hear say over 50,000 pounds him thief from the government, they not ease him up at all. What? Him done to us. That's why I go through it so. True, man, true. Taxpayer money. I feel with money. Them really send me back to Jamaica. Me never want it to end like this.
Flight to Jamaica has landed. Deportees proceed.
Back like this. Shameful. Yo, boss, you remember me? Or who that again? You know remember Gringo? Gringo, what the ras?
We used to live in the same area.
That's right, I went to England. And I went to Falmouth. Me remember when you used to suffer, you and Nadine.
Where's Nadine? She's my good friend.
I haven't seen her.
She used to call me a few times, then the call stopped. Hope she okay?
She went to prison and we part ways. You may see her soon too. The last time I see her was at the detention center in London. Oh my gosh! Let me tell you a story. You see, greed is a dangerous thing. Nadine and I went to London. I got an offer to do some cleaning job. I refused it and linked greed and pride together. We was aiming to get rich fast. And then the beast got us. Look at me now, as you can see, I'm coming from jail, both here and in the UK. Pure rough life. Oh, so you're a deportee? I hope you have my fear because me feed you long enough. They cannot continue to feed a big man. It was just a lift me a look, you know, brother. You turn relative now, I call me brother. Just being friendly, man. Friendly, yeah? Me know the friendly thing. Why is that? My kids need to eat daily, plus the wife not happy we go out all day and come back with charity. Stop the car. What? You know what? I yes it there.